It was supposed to be a quick, ordinary trip to the supermarket with my 6-month-old son, Leo. Just grab a few things and head home. But life had other plans. Right there in the checkout line, Leo decided it was the perfect moment for a full-scale meltdown. His cries echoed through the store, and I could feel every pair of eyes on me. The impatient sighs, the sideways glances, it all hit at once. My face burned with embarrassment. My heart felt heavy. I honestly thought I was failing as a mother in that moment. Then, as if things couldn't get worse, my card was declined, once, twice. I knew there was money in the account, but nothing worked. Panic wrapped around my chest. My hands shook as I apologized to the cashier and the people behind me, already preparing to leave my groceries behind and escape in shame. That's when someone gently touched my arm. I turned around and saw a woman with the kindest eyes and a soft, reassuring smile. She looked at Leo, then at me, and then calmly said to the cashier, "I'll pay for it." I froze. I tried to stop her, insisting she didn't need to help. She just smiled, paid for everything, and turned back to me as tears streamed down my face. "I've been there," she said quietly. "You're doing a great job, Mama. Just pay it forward someday." That moment changed me. It wasn't about the groceries. It was about being seen, about compassion without judgment, about a stranger choosing kindness when I needed it most. That simple act turned one of my worst days into one of the most beautiful memories of my life. Since then, whenever I see someone struggling, fumbling with bags, overwhelmed, on the edge, I remember her, and I try to be that person for someone else, because kindness matters. And sometimes, it saves more than just a moment. Subscribe for kindness. K for kindness, where stories like this remind us that humanity still shines in everyday moments.